Listen, whole numbers. Part 3.1 Other properties of whole numbers. Commutative property. Consider any two whole numbers, for example 15 and 51. When we add these two numbers, we get 66, which is also a whole number. Let us try changing the order of addition. 51 plus 15. Again we get the answer 66. Another example. When we add these two numbers, we get 32, which is also a whole number. Let us try changing the order of addition. 21 plus 11 gives us 32 again. From these two examples, we can see that irrespective of the order of addition, we get the same answer. When the sum of two whole numbers remains the same, whatever the order they are added, then we say commutative property on addition is satisfied, or commutative property holds good for addition. Commutative property on multiplication. We can check the same for multiplication too. Let 10 and 24 be a pair of whole numbers. Product 10 into 24 is 240, or 24 into 10 is equal to 240. Similarly, 6 into 18 is 108, or 18 into 6 is 108. 25 into 5 is equal to 125, or 5 into 25 is 125. We can visualize this better with this following diagram. Hence, commutative property on multiplication holds good. Associative properties of addition and multiplication. Consider the example 5 plus 7 plus 2. I can add these numbers in two different ways. Method 1. First, I can add 5 and 7 to get the answer 12. Then I can add 2 to this to get answer 14. Method 2. I can add 7 and 2 to get answer 9 and then add 5 to get the answer 14. Whichever way we group these numbers and add them, in both the cases we get the same answer. This is called associative property of addition for whole numbers. Associative property of multiplication. The associative property of whole numbers holds good even for multiplication. 3 into 4 into 5, we can group them in two ways again. 3 into 4 to give the answer 12 into 5 to give the answer 60. Or first multiply 4 into 5 to get answer 20 and then multiply it with 3 to get answer 60. Another example, 7 into 8 into 9. Method 1. 7 into 8 is 56, into 9 gives 5 not 4. Method 2. 8 into 9 gives 72, into 7 gives 5 not 4 again. This is associative property of multiplication for whole numbers. Hence, we can conclude that associative property of addition and multiplication over whole numbers holds good. We shall now see how these two properties can be applied while solving problems. Example 1. Find 96 plus 27 plus 4. Solution. We can group 27 and 4 to begin with. That gives 96 plus, open brackets, 4 plus 27, close brackets. We have applied the commutative property in this case. Now, we will be applying associative property. 96 plus 4 plus 27. That gives us 100 plus 27. The answer is 127. Example 2. Find the product of 2 into 3 into 5 into 6 into 5. Solution. We can regroup by applying commutative property. So we can write open bracket 2 into 5 into 3 into open bracket 6 into 5 into 7. 10 into 3 into 30 into 7, or 30 into 210, 6300.